Hey there everybody. Today's video is just a quick update as there's no new process to show here, just more of the same work happening. And I apologize for the obnoxious precipitation in the background. Anyway, I'm now finished with the steel reinforcement of the utility and closet ceiling / loft floor. And here's what I was doing today over on the closet side of things. More of the same. But with all that done, now we have this whole ceiling area to install heat pump in. And so we should be able to get some heat pump happening next week. Tomorrow I think I'll finish up some odds and ends with the wiring. So thanks for checking in. I'll see you tomorrow.